Hi guys! So, nabi karon sa Darius Landfill. Yeah. Look at the view, guys. It's my mom, guys, and the view is giving nature vibes.
Si Alisa nag-ginokyer niya. Na may multi-cabli pero gatagan may gatagan. Ano rin pang driver. Ito siya nakasweet ko. Mga layo pa sa Albert Creek Lloyd. Nanadya sa unahan.
Fit check. Forget some sound joke, guys. Fit check as in literal na fit. First na vlog. We are having the Christmas party. Okay, ang ambience sa place. Hi guys, good morning. Karang nakalimot ko nga mag-vlog day ko. Welcome to my vlog. So karon, ako gyagit. Pero wakat na yung outfit. Nasa diri sa Petron, and then Flying V. Abay sa Flying V, guys. Ano yun yung ilahang sign, Baufei Bar and Cafe. Yun ang food, ha?
Yes.
For dining. Meron akong date karon for today's video, guys. Out siya vlog sa ko. Uy! We're waiting for our order. Pwede po sa Jollibee eh. Mag-beep beep or beep. Beep beep beep. Ang sabi namin siya. I have the regular burger, chicken, kita raw, cookies and cream there. Chicken fingers. First bite, thank you Lord. Dili siya parehas burger na one. For sure ka lang sa 5-star restaurant for burger. Yun ang gaya nga lang akong kamot. Diba? Umay manta, gravy. Okay, aqua siyang kinunton. Okay, chicken is hot food and dili siya. Brown siya kapag ka-fries. Okay, dalawa ganyan ang consistency guys. Ito lechon. Yanni have another order. What's that? Chicken noodles. Ubusin natin to kasi hindi tayo anak ng mayaman.
Dili may nepo, baby.
Dili may anak ng contractor.
Mas dako.
Muscle. The aftermath, guys. So we're full and it took us almost 2 hours here in Belfay. So it's very cozy. The place is cozy and overall I'd rate it a 9. How about
I
you?
rated 8.5.
Hi.